Hey, what's up guys? I just want to do a quick in the car unboxing of this camera, Panasonic G9. The reason I'm doing this unboxing, I know this camera been out for a while now, like almost a year, but the reason I just got it right now is because right now you can get the body, the G9 body, for $1,100, $1,100. There is a massive rebate going on right now with Panasonic starting today. I don't know how long it's gonna be for, but today is August 12th, 2018. You can get up to $600 back off of this camera. So I'm at Sammy's Camera, just got it done, and they also have a no tax event things going on right now, so I don't even pay tax on this camera. So just to show you guys, so original price of the camera is $1,700. There's a $200 instant rebate going on right now, so you get $200 off. And if you trade in any camera, like any, you can have an old camera. So for me, I trade in my Olympus EP3, trade this camera in, I get $400. So total, you can see instant rebate is $600 off. So I got this one out of the door, $1,100. That is a fantastic deal for this camera. I always think that when the G9 first came out, I didn't want to get it because I thought it was overpriced. But you know, for $1,100, I think it's a no-brainer. So I got it. I always wanted to get the GH5, but you know, can't beat this price. So I'm very excited, guys. Super excited. So let's see. So that's why I'm doing the unboxing right in the car. So let's see. It's gonna be hard with just one hand. Again, guys, I don't know how long this promotion is going on for, but if you guys want to get the G9, this is the time to do it. I don't remember the last time they have a 400, you know, 400 extra 400 on top of the 200. So menu. We don't need this. Let's see. I heard very good thing about this camera, so hopefully they are beautiful strap. Lumix G9. And here's the body itself. Very nice body. And in here you have your usual USB 3, and then you have a micro USB, battery charger, the battery itself. This is the power brick. So, and that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. So let's take a look at the body. This body, I tested in the store, feels so nice. So nice in the hands. There it is. Oh my goodness. The grip is absolutely amazing. I love this grip. I love this grip a lot more than the GH5 grip. I actually love this design because for me, I mean, I do videos too, but still is the first priority for me. And you know, ever since I switched to mirrorless, I missed this LCD, and this camera brought it back. Beautiful LCD. Beautiful EVF, of course. You guys probably know that. There's a mic input and a headphone jack. And my favorite port of all, believe it or not, is actually full-size HDMI. I love it. That's so awesome. You don't have to use another adapter or anything like that. Got a joystick. Awesome. Got the button. Got your dual car slot. Amazing. Got your remote. Record. Of course, twin dial. On the front, got your programmable lever, flash, beautiful, guys. This camera is so beautiful. And then, like I said, again, for $1,100, that is amazing. This price, you know, at this price point, guys, like, it's, you don't even have to think about it. You just go buy it. Absolutely amazing. Again, guys, I don't know how long this deal is gonna run for. So if you guys interested in getting the G9, now is the time, guys. Like, literally, don't wait for Black Friday. You don't wait for anything like that. Now is the time. You can bring in any camera. You can go onto the store and just buy like a $50 camera or something, or like, and then, you know, just and then just have them do the trade-in, and then you get $400, and then you get an instant $200. So perfect deal. So yeah, just want to make a quick unboxing video of the G9. I'm very excited to test this one out. I know it's been out for a couple months now, but you know, I'm very excited. I read very good things about this camera and how amazing it is. So I'm gonna put this to the test and show you guys in future videos. So please, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Thank you.